LMS allows you to design the data entry screens for the sample register and all of the tests that you perform in your laboratory. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can design the layout of the sample register screen. You can see here the standard sample register that is shipped out with each LMS product. Supposing you want to add a new field onto this sample register to record the location from which your samples are taken. If I choose the administration menu, I can then open the template manager. The template manager allows you to design the layouts of all of the test reports and other reports that LMS produces, and also the data entry screens. From the module menu, I choose Web Pages. I can then view a list of all of the web pages that are contained within LMS. And you can see here that you can design the data entry screens for all of the tests that are contained within LMS. From here, I'm going to choose the sample register. I then see a list of all of the sample register data entry screens that have been set up in LMS, because you can design multiple sample register screens for all the different types of materials that you sample in your laboratory. So I choose the sample register template that currently exists, and LMS then opens the layout of that sample register, which you'll see matches the layout of the sample register screen we were looking at earlier. There is an alphabetic list at the top of the screen here. If I choose L, I see all the fields available that begin with the letter L, and location is one of those. To add location onto the sample register screen, I simply drag it and drop it in the position where I want it to go. I can now change the properties of this location field, such as the size and the label, by clicking on Show Properties on the left. You'll see here all of the properties of the location field that I can change. I can change its position, its width, the label. I can also change the font color that will be used on the field and the font size if I wanted to make the field bigger to stand out on the screen. I can change the width using the arrows, or I can simply type in the width that I want this field to have. When I'm happy with the position and the appearance of the field, I choose Save Form, and my changes have now been saved. I will now go back to the sample that I was looking at, and the location field is now in place and ready for me to use.